White lips, pale face, breathing in the snowflakes, burnt lung, sour taste. Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent. Long nights, strange men. They say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to her, 'cause she's just under the other hand and goes mad for a couple grams. And she don't wanna go outside tonight, and in the pipe she flies to the motherland. Oh, sells love to another man, and it's too cold outside.